Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into NestJS, a robust framework for backend development. Let's explore its core concepts and features together. NestJS revolves around modules, controllers, services, decorators, and dependency injection. These elements enhance modularity and separation of concerns. To set up a NestJS project, install the Nest CLI using npm install g at nestjs/cli. Create a project with Nest new project name and explore the organized directory structure. Modules encapsulate components, controllers, and services. Generate modules with Nest generate module name. Building APIs in NestJS involves defining routes in controllers and implementing business logic in services. Use data transfer objects, DTOs, for structured data handling. NestJS leverages dependency injection for loose coupling. Inject services using the add inject, decorator and benefit from efficient singleton instances. NestJS simplifies backend development with its clean architecture and powerful features. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more coding insights. Happy coding!